Imagine this. You've worked hard for your money, saved carefully, and kept it in the bank because that feels safe. But what if I told you that even while your savings sit still, something is slowly eating them away? Not a scam, not a bad investment. Something far more invisible and far more powerful. It's called inflation. You don't see it, you don't feel it right away. But over time, it quietly robs you, dollar by dollar, day by day, until the money you've earned no longer buys what it used to. In this video, we'll uncover the secret mechanics of inflation, how it sneaks into your life, why the system is designed for it to exist, who actually benefits from it, and most importantly, how you can fight back. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what inflation is, but how to protect your money from becoming worthless. Number 1. What inflation really is and why it exists. Inflation isn't just about prices rising. It's about the value of your money falling. Think about it. If a loaf of bread costs $1 today and $1.10 next year, that means your money now buys less. That's inflation in motion. But why does it happen? Sometimes it's because the government prints more money, increasing the supply without increasing real value. Other times it's due to demand outpacing supply, like during economic booms or crises. The truth? A small amount of inflation is considered healthy. It keeps the economy growing. But when it spirals, like in 2022 when prices globally surged 8 to 10%, it crushes ordinary people. Inflation exists because the entire modern financial system depends on it. Without inflation, people wouldn't spend. Businesses wouldn't expand. Governments couldn't pay back their debts. It's not an error in the system. It is the system. Number 2. The silent tax you never voted for. Most taxes you can see: income tax, sales tax, property tax. But inflation? That's the tax you never agreed to. Imagine you save $10,000. You're proud. Maybe it's your emergency fund, your peace of mind. A year later, inflation hits 8%. Your money now buys what $9,200 used to. You've lost $800 of purchasing power without touching a cent. Inflation punishes the savers and rewards the spenders. It's designed to push you into using money rather than holding it. Governments secretly prefer this. Why? Because when inflation rises, the real value of their massive debts shrinks. They owe trillions, but in cheaper future dollars. It's a silent win for them and a silent loss for you. Number 3. Proof from the past: how prices betray time. Let's travel back in time. In 1980, the average new home in the U.S. cost $47,000. Today, that number is around $420,000. A cup of coffee? From 25 cents to nearly $4. It's easy to blame greedy corporations or global chaos, but the real culprit is the erosion of the dollar itself. The same thing happened in countries like Argentina, Venezuela, and Turkey, where runaway inflation turned life savings into pocket change. Their currencies collapsed so fast people used stacks of cash just to buy groceries. While your country might not be there yet, the principle remains. What's safe today may be worthless tomorrow. Number 4. Who wins from inflation and who pays the price? Inflation isn't fair. It's engineered inequality in disguise. The rich, they own assets, real estate, stocks, commodities, things that rise with inflation. The poor, they own debt or cash which loses value. Corporations simply raise prices. Governments inflate away debt. But the everyday worker, saving in a low-interest account, gets trapped. Inflation is a wealth transfer from the people who work for money to the people who own money-generating assets. Every time inflation rises, the gap between rich and poor quietly widens. Number 5. The psychology of inflation, the panic loop. Inflation isn't just an economic force, it's a psychological one. When prices start climbing, people panic. They spend faster, fearing that things will cost more tomorrow. This increases demand, and ironically, fuels even more inflation. It's a vicious loop. Panic drives prices up. Prices drive panic higher. This is why during inflationary spikes, people often make reckless decisions, overusing credit cards, investing in anything that seems safe, or buying depreciating goods to feel secure. Inflation doesn't just steal your money, it manipulates your behavior. Number 6. The middle class trap. The middle class gets caught in the worst of it. They save diligently. They work hard. But their savings accounts yield 3%, while inflation quietly eats 6%. Their income increases slowly, but the cost of life races ahead. Meanwhile, those with assets, stocks, property, even side businesses, ride the inflation wave and often come out richer. It's cruel, but true. The middle class plays defense in an economy designed for offense. Inflation punishes caution and rewards risk. Number 7. How to outsmart inflation. You can't stop inflation, but you can use it to your advantage. Step 1. Stop hoarding cash. Keep only what you need for short-term expenses or emergencies. Cash is a melting ice cube. The longer it sits, the smaller it gets. Step 2. Invest in inflation-beating assets, stocks, real estate, index funds, gold, or even businesses. These rise over time and protect purchasing power. Step 3. Invest in yourself. Learn high-value skills that let you raise your income faster than prices rise. Because even if inflation climbs, your earning power can grow with it. Inflation is your enemy only if you stay still. Number 8. The power of compounding, working for or against you. Compounding is a double-edged sword. At 3% inflation, your money halves in value in 23 years. At 6%, it halves in just 12. But here's the twist. When you invest, compounding works for you. Every year, your investments grow, not shrink. Every dividend reinvested, every asset held long-term. These are tiny victories against inflation's quiet war. Your future wealth depends on which side of compounding you stand on. Number 9. The future. Is digital inflation next? With digital currencies and AI-driven economies, inflation is evolving. Governments can now print digital money with a click. Prices react instantly to global data. In the future, inflation could move faster, but so will information and opportunity. This is where knowledge becomes the new currency. Those who understand money flow, crypto, global markets, digital assets, will adapt. Those who ignore it will become financial fossils. The battlefield is changing, but the rule remains: adapt or be left behind. Number 10. Your personal action plan. Here's a roadmap you can start today. Measure real returns. Don't just check your bank balance. Compare it against inflation. Are you really gaining or just standing still? Own, don't owe. Pay off bad debt fast. Then shift to owning assets that generate income. Automate investing. Even $50 a month matters. Consistency beats timing. Build skills. The only investment inflation can't touch is you. You don't need to be an economist to win, just consistent and aware. Inflation is like gravity, invisible but constant. It pulls your money down little by little, while the world moves on. But if you learn to work with it, to invest, to grow, to stay informed, you stop being a victim of inflation and become its master. The real danger isn't inflation itself. It's ignoring it, because the moment you stop paying attention is the moment your money starts disappearing.